True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, thank you all for stopping by on the channel. Yeah man, you don't know, still there Black River same way. I give you an update. Yeah man, you don't know, say electricity return to Black River. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anywhere now watch from. Just I give you an update and my location where I'm at. I'm right at the Waterloo Guest House. Yeah man, see it here? The tree here, this is a breadfruit tree. Use a breadfruit tree here as a landmark. You can see there's no more breadfruit tree, and also there is no more structure over here. Yeah man, you can see it. Structure is down. And we all know in Jamaica town, Black River, Jamaica first to receive electricity in 1893, making the first town in Jamaica, and according to some source, the first in the Western Hemisphere to have electricity power. Yeah man, so with our Waterloo. Yeah man, a lot of people don't know say Waterloo first place we have electricity in Jamaica, the first town. Hope you all understand what I'm saying. So anybody in the comment section, you all can leave in the comment section. Yeah man, just leave and let me know what I go on. So we still have to give an update on Black River. And trust me, big up all of the JPS worker them, big up on yourself. Yeah man, we have so I'm at the Black River Hospital. So you see where I'm doing some work on the building. Yeah man, so them are reinforced and put in some column in the building. Yeah man, so them are put in some column and stuff in the building. So some work can take place down here. Yeah man, see it? Over there, so I can see a sign. Update. Yeah man, the Black River Hospital. I think them get back current. Yeah man, current day at the hospital, I know what it is. Yeah man, so them are reinforced. I put some column in the building. Yeah man, so far you can see the column in the building. As I say, I go through, giving an update where I go on Black River, giving a good walking tour. And across the road they have the clinic right over there, Black River Health Clinic. But telling them people, I say the JPS them put in a spot of work. Big up all of the JPS people them. Big up on yourself. You can see the roof gone. Along the streets, you can only for GPS transformer for the dirt. So we go towards the St. Teresa. Remember the St. Teresa school? walk you all. I giving a full tour of Black River, man. And anybody can do this. I show you how I go on. Coming from the hospital direction, heading towards Black River town area. Yeah, man. So walk me, I walk through and show you how I go on. And utility poles, you them see them there? Up and running. I'll go and pop it. Take on the journey, man, and show them what I go on. You can do it, you know. So over there is a St. Teresa school. Right over there. Right here used to be my hangout spot. Yeah, man. Come on Black River. You used to have so look at this tree, my people. You can know the wind force. Yeah, man. You can know the wind force. This is the root. This is the root of the tree. I'll show you where I'm going. If you can imagine, the wind force will take up this tree out of the dirt. And nothing normal. It's a huge tree. This is the root. Yeah, man, this is the root. Yeah, man, see the root there? So, I know nothing normal in a Black River. Yeah, man, see it there? Yeah, man, if you can remember that big tree over St. Teresa. Yeah, man, she and a normal. Oh, remember this church right here? You don't have an understanding what I'm going. Yeah, man. Going along the line, heading back to St. Teresa gate right over there. We're going back through that gate right there. See them people, nothing normal in Black River. We have a compound ground and see what I go on and they can say, yeah, this serious, really serious. So walk along with Fire Reid on his journey. I try to document a lot of footage of Black River St. Elizabeth. Remember they have a nursing school Yeah man, you can see it. Everything in a shambles. Everything. You have down power line. All of them the buildings at the back. Same way. So I try to document the full street and show you what I go on. Everybody I give you a full documentary, you know. Giving a piece on the understand how Black River is set up. I know St. Elizabeth is my stomping ground. Yeah man. So this is the place. Think of they have a nursing school. Be careful you walk, you say, you know. You have to be careful. Look at this, my people. Not normal in a Black River. I think this was a pool. Up on the Caca Crow. See, for one of the buildings they have Portland. All of them places are gone. We are trying to figure out what take place at them places here. Even though you have a decking, right? You realize the bottom, the top floor, the roof them gone off it, the top floor. The roof gone. But you see the decking section, all of the windows them gone. All of the windows them. So I'm giving a full tour of Black River, St. Elizabeth. Man, the Caca Crow. Man, full documentary of Black River, you know. Show the way I go on same way. I wonder if this will be a historical site. Black River, leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think. See that's All American Institute of Medical Science School of Medicine. Yeah man. Telling them people no not normal this full tour of Black River. No piece. When will we pick up the pieces? See it there? Yeah man, I walk it and show you what I go on. So we are heading towards the examination depot. You know, so the examination depot, most people used to come here and do their fitness, them driving tests. But you know, currently them have to move gone to Black River. No, they have to move gone to Savlamar and Mandeville. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so I go on now. So this is the examination depot. Rooftop gone. Giving a walk through a Black River, man. So this right here is the Black River Library. So look at Black River Library, guys. Wow, this not normal, the people. None at all, it's not normal. Huh? Yeah, I make a documentary, man. Ah, man, see? Ah. Yeah, man, say a Black River Library this. I put things together. I show them what I go on. This is how we used to come do our research in Black River. But there is no more Black River Library. I don't know when this is gonna return. I don't know when. But we're still going on. Still go and see away. Got the water. So we are right at the Black River Courthouse. Right at the Black River Courthouse. They're on a journey same way. Keep on going. So right over there is the Black River Courthouse. Yeah man, I'm gonna pick up the pieces. I don't know when Black River come back to now, man. I don't know when. Just have to just give thanks and praise. Man, that's bossy. I'm gonna see a courthouse look here. Same way. But I don't know when they might ever clean up inside this, so there's a lot of documents and everything inside there, you know. And that area is a parish council area. So everybody with them house documents, you know, document get destroyed. Yeah man. So we're going along same way. So over there you have the Jeremy Palmer Everton Fisher. Yeah man, so I go on. We're still a walk and go through the same way. I'm giving you a tour going towards the Waterloo Guest House. Yeah man. Right over here it was a basic school. Yeah man, see it? Things change, everything gone. We're still going the same way. I would say light, electricity back in Black River. See the utility pole them there up and running. So we still are going same way up on our journey. Watch your steps in them rock stone, you know. Watch your steps. The street kind of busy same way. Busy streets. Alright, watch your steps same way and go through. Who can do the maths here? 12 plus 12. Do the maths. 8. Multiply by 8. Do the maths. If you can't do maths, do the maths, you know? What a pretty full blooming up here. Yeah man, see bloom there. Tree bloom. Whatever Christmas season is, this tree bloom. And that's the boat right over there. So we are heading towards the Waterloo Guest House. And that is where that is where first place to get electricity in Jamaica, the first town to get electricity in Jamaica, which would be in Black River, Waterloo Guest House. I'm very close to it. This normally be doctor office right here. So you see all of the rooftop come off. All of the rooftop come off, man. So yes, some people, yeah, the people them say we have moved new location. See it right there, say shop number 3 CGB Brown Plaza 30 North Street, Black River, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and the number is 876-819-2184. Yeah man, so a lot of damage take place, a lot of things happen, not normal. Yeah, so still going on same way. Yeah man, see right here, this is the Waterloo. Right over here is the Waterloo Guest House. Right here. It's the breadfruit tree. The breadfruit tree always be a landmark for me. Used to bear some nice breadfruit. Yeah man, see it there? So normally, you know, breadfruit tree can spring again. Hopefully can so a small breadfruit tree a spring right there, so hopefully. And here so is the Waterloo Guest House. There's no more Waterloo Guest House. Don't know what's gonna go on right here. One sign used to right on them 2 iron posts there. And also you have a breadfruit tree right here. Yeah, see a few little leaves that grow back on the breadfruit tree. Yes, people, this is it. Wow. Nothing normal in Black River. So I'm taking you all to the pool area. Yeah man, this is the pool area. Six feet, 5 feet. Look out for nail on people. Don't want to get jumped by any nail. That is very serious. A man can blood poison you. Yeah man, see there? Still green same way. right across over there, that is the in-town supermarket. Sagicor Bank. Them used to be window. I'm leak out. I'm replace them. So as you can see the sign, Sagicor Bank 24 hours ABM, we are open. Yeah man, say Sagicor Bank open. Yeah man. Down there is the in-town supermarket. That building over there is the in-town supermarket. This is the gas station. The Texaco gas station. Yeah. So I'm giving an update and show you how I go on so you can understand the street. Right across over there, that is the Black River Park area. You could have come sit down and enjoy the moment with your family and friends. Right across over there. So I'm heading towards the building there. That was the parish church. Right along over there, that was the parish church. And over there, that is the post office. Black River Post Office. Back in the days, you used to come right here, so right here, like it's a farm store. Come get our feed and stuff. So we are the parish church. Right here says the parish church. Oh, see everything. No more parish church. After Hurricane Melissa. a lot of people get married in this church right here, so you all can know, you all will understand. Even a full tour of Black River, man, full walk through on a Saturday evening. Big up all the soldiers them. See it? North Street and High Street. .35 High Street, Black River. So back in the days, this street used to be a one-way street. You realize traffic flowing in two directions, and this is what Black River look like. Full documentary. Wagwan. Yeah, man. So we are heading towards the courts area. We used to have a JN ATM right here. Who remember Quartz? Yeah.
You just sent me your video?
Yeah, I give an update, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. So this is the Quartz. Yeah, so you used to come buy with furniture and same speed. Who remember juicy beef? Yeah, man, I take on what I go on. We have an understand how the town set up. I'm not giving a piece, I'm giving a full tour of the town. Yeah, man, here so juicy beef used to do right here. Everybody used to come by them juicy beef patty. Right here used to be the juicy beef area. Look like some work can take place. I don't know which part them up do some work. But we still are going the same way. Show how I go on. Oh, remember that bakery? It's one of the bakery. We do one of the best cocoa bread. Sunrise Wholesale and Bakery. Yeah, man, I also do one of the best cocoa bread ever. Yeah, man, best cocoa bread ever. Still a go on same way. So now have an understanding what I go on. This is the Scotia Bank. Yeah, man, Scotia Bank this so. Alongside the Scotia Bank, you have the Tax Administration Office. Yeah, man, see it there? So you see it? And we have an understanding what I go on. I feel some I take up on the bridge section. Now I go up on the bridge. Yeah, man. So we're heading towards the Black River Market. Yeah, man. We are no fish market and the Black River Market. So I'm heading to that direction right now. In that direction. If we could remember on a Sunday daytime we want some food and we come at Black River. One restaurant used to be right here. Yeah, so you realize them clean up the spot and everything. So there is no more restaurant right here at the moment. Not even the, you don't see the spot. I'm heading towards the market area. Even. Black River protected area. So you see the Black River protected area was declared in December 2021. It is rich. Yeah man, so I go on same way. At least you know, understand what I go on in the town area. We get a full tour of Black River on piece video, so you know, understand what I go on. So right here is the Black River Market. Full tour you get. Still going on and on. Same way. Still going on same way. That's the Black River Market over there. So we're heading towards, see that building over there, right over there. That's the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Black River Fire Station. Yeah, my utility pole up and running same way. Yeah man, so JPS guy them still working in the area. So we are now St. Best Pharmacy. St. Best Pharmacy right over there. Yeah, so I'm gonna restore back some current in the area. Yeah, man. Leroy, big up yourself. Church days. Susan, brother. Alright, I remember my name, brothers. Yeah, man, so this is St. Best Pharmacy. Still running. So now it's a full tour. Yeah man, I have a lot of JPS worker working thoroughly. Boss, eh? They have actual going.